Hi, welcome to the Maryland Gardener channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I protect my plants from the cold weather. We're going to have some cold nights coming up soon next week, and so I'm protecting, making covers to protect my plants. And this is what the end result is going to look like. It should do the trick. It should keep the weather from affecting my plants, killing them, possibly killing my plants. So. And I'll show you how to do the next bed and what I've used and other options you can use just in case you don't have the material that I have today. So come over this side and then I'll show you how to get started. Now I've got what I bought was driveway markers. This is something I just kind of bought today. Driveway markers, and I got some PEX tubing. PEX tubing that I had left over from a job I did, and I'm used that to create the arcs to shield the plants. This is what I use, and if you don't have that, you can use anything to create an arch. You can cover it with plastic. It could be hardware cloth and anything you can probably bend to create that arch. But here is what I use here. Got you just nail these in here. It's going to be something temporary until that cold weather clears out, so you can reuse it. I'll take my PEX, cut it to size, and then just run them in there. This is 1/2 inch PEX. Just run them in there. It's going to be higher than what we need, but it should do the trick. Okay. This is a 2 mil clear liner, and I'm going to use this to create the seal here. Over. It doesn't have to be this high. It could be lower, but if your plants are a little higher than this, like say your tomato plants, then this would be perfect for it. But I'm just protecting my pepper plants today, and I'll probably take this down and put them up before that cold weather Wednesday. It's supposed to be 36 degrees, so tarp it over. Right, and you take some it doesn't look pretty, but that's not going to look pretty, but it's going to protect your plants. And then you just clip them like so. Make sure you close the ends. You want to prevent that cold air from getting to your plants, so seal those ends really good as best you can. There you go. Now I know not everybody's gonna have this PEX laying around. It's pretty good to have. You can always reuse it. Take it down, put it away, and reuse it whenever you need it. But you can also use hardware cloth. Any scraps that you can create an arch with, and just add pieces together enough to over your plants, and then line it with some plastic liner, and that should do the trick too. But I didn't have enough of this, so I went and bought what I needed today to get it done. So that's it. And this is the one also I did earlier, as you already saw. And then just weigh it down with some rocks so that the wind doesn't blow it away. So you want to put so you want to put some weights if it gets windy, just around the edges too, so it doesn't blow away on you. Now this is a little bit too high. Cut is a little bit too high, but it'll still do the job. It should protect those plants from that cold air that's going to be coming through here. And I'm gonna protect my cucumbers. I'm gonna cover those up. I'm gonna wrap my tomato cages with liner as well to protect them. And you just use that frame of that tomato cage to make your little cover for that. You just liner, wrap it around, and it should be fine. So I hope this gave you some ideas. Just use any material you have that will create that arch for you, and just line it with some plastic, just for that night, just to keep that cold air from it. So that's what I'm going to do Wednesday, and I hope this helps you guys out, gives you some ideas, maybe on how to protect your plants. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and take care.